Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be letting my friend Dominique do my hair, and I'm excited.
Dominique is doing my hair. I didn't know I was so tender-headed. Like, I haven't had somebody else do my hair in a really, really long time. And it's kind of painful.
So she's going to be giving me a sleek ponytail, and my hair is already washed and conditioned. So all she has to do is blow dry it out, straighten it, and then mold the ponytail. So it's been a while since I let somebody do my hair. You guys know I never get my hair done professionally or anything like that. But I trust Dominique, so I let her do it. And I've been wanting her to do my hair for a minute now, so I'm happy she was able to do it.
We're all dry. Okay, so we're gonna press it out. She's gonna give me a ponytail. What the hell? Yes! A hot comb? Yes.
All right, so here she's just going in with a hot comb, electric hot comb. And I haven't used a hot comb on my hair since the 90s, literally. But she was telling me that it'll make the process a lot faster if we were to use the hot comb. So that's what we're doing here. This is how my hair looks all blown out. And now she's just taking a flat iron and going over the front pieces because I am going to have a ponytail, a low ponytail with the part down the middle. Now this got to be glue stuff is amazing. I thought that this was only used for like wigs and stuff like that, but this stuff really sleeked my hair like to the max. You guys know, like, you've probably never seen me with a sleek ponytail or any like really sleek hairstyles because my hair just does not sleek very easily. But using this stuff really made my hair super slick. Like, I'm amazed. So as you can see, she basically just sprayed the got to be glue spray over the front of my hair, and she would take like a fine tooth comb to slick it out more, and then she would take the blow dryer to dry it. So for the ponytail, all you have to do is take a section of my hair that's already in the ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie to hide the hair tie. And she would take a little bit of the hairspray and spray it on the band to make it stay put. And then, of course, go in with the blow dryer to dry it. And then for the ponytail, she's just going to go ahead and flat iron some of the ponytail pieces to make it super, super straight and sleek. And then we are done, and this is the finished results. Huge shout out to Dominique for coming over and doing my hair. I will put all of her information as well as her Instagram down below in the description box as well as on the screen so you can check her out. And you guys can follow me on social media at Miriam J. Hampton. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video and give me a huge thumbs up. If you're looking to grow out your hair, you can purchase my hair growth oil at miriamjhampton.com and follow us on Instagram at mhairgrowth. And the link to purchase my step-by-step guide to healthy hair ebook will be down below in the description box as well. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.